AnyHouseCleaning.com is a multi-service cleaning provider. This is a regular house in Champions Gate Golf Club, regular client bi-weekly. I was finished my cleaning services and I was with my nephew who had a drum and he was filming. It was a really cool drum to film and I can see our van. I don't know if you already see our van all over on Ronald Reagan or 27. We do pretty much everything about residential and commercial cleaning, disinfecting, sanitizing, tile and grout cleaning, carpet, post-remodeling, new construction cleaning. We are pet friendly and you can contact us at 407-572-4118 or visit our webpage, anyhousecleaning.com. We have a channel on YouTube, Any House Cleaning in Champions Gate. Thank you for watching us. Bye.